When you are greeted with a beautiful, larger than life door and a Dorset thumb impression, you already know that you're entering at an elite space. Of course, the location of this property is amazing. It's a three-side corner property located in Shankar Garden, Vikas Puri. But this property not only have a beautiful location, it also offers you three beautiful bedrooms, which I am going to showcase. Their main focus is the utilization of the space around. That's why the utilization of the light on all the three bedrooms will be a feature thing to enhance. Wall to wall, everything's storage space is there. Kitchen is a beautiful design. I really like it, admire it. U-shaped pattern kitchen with the hob and chimney, all the appliances being provided. Saint-Gobain curved glasses been mentioned. And because of this corner property, we have ample ventilation. Let's have a look at the bedrooms from inside. Again, because of the inlay work and the corner property, ventilation is there. Plus, there is one more advantage. You have a separate dressing area. There, you have your own storage space available for your wardrobe and stuff like that. And plus, attached washroom is there. So, a lot of privacy, a lot of open space. This property is definitely for you. Just let me know when you want to pay a visit.